Today I am back with the unbagging of the Hermès Avalon Vibration Pillow. So the first thing that you'll notice is that there's no orange box here. So the pillow came in a clear plastic bag with a typical Hermès dust bag. So I'll go ahead and take it out. So this is the small model, which means that it measures 19.7 inches wide by 19.7 inches tall. It's about roughly about 4 inches or so thick. And the Avalon Vibration comes in a few different colors. This is the Ecru Indigo, which is a nice blue shade here with some white accents and a little bit of red down here. There's also a beige fuchsia, which is more of a purple and red toned pillow, same pattern. If I flip it around, you'll see that you have an inverse pattern here. So everything that was blue is white, and anything that was dark blue is now the lighter blue here. It's very, very soft. It is 90% merino wool, 10% cashmere. It's very similar to some of their ponchos. Very nice feeling to it. The inside, or excuse me, the cover does come off, so you can see there's a zipper right here that you can unzip to take the cover off, so that way you can get the cover dry cleaned. So we got this for use on some of our chairs. We'll probably, over time, extend our collection for some couch pillows, potentially some pillows on our beds as well. Definitely a really nice feel to it. This is the small model. They do make some larger sizes of the Avalon as well, and then also different patterns. Again, this is the vibration pattern, likely due to these different lines that you can see running across the patterns. So as of November 2020, the Avalon Vibration small model retails for $620 in the US. So that's a quick review and preview of the Avalon Vibration small pillow. Hope you enjoyed it, and please feel free to leave any comments and questions below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you.